In this tutorial, I will tell you about the organic chemistry. What is organic chemistry? The branch of chemistry that deals with the study of organic compounds, their preparation, reaction mechanism, properties, classes, and their classification is called as organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is based on organic compounds. What are organic compounds? The compounds that comprise of carbon are called as organic compounds generally. There are millions of organic compounds. This large number is due to catenation. What is catenation? The bonding of an atom with another atom of the same kind is called as catenation. Catenation is the basis of chains in organic compounds. Catenine compound forms as a result of catenation. What is a catenane compound? The compound that forms as a result of catenation is called as catenane. Catenane is also called catenine. Alkanes, alkenes, alcohols, lipids, organic acids, organic bases, RNA, DNA, carbohydrates, vitamins are examples of organic compounds. About 16 million organic compounds are known to chemists, yet millions of organic compounds are needed to be classified. The catenation process with carbon occurs so rapidly. That's why there are millions of organic compounds comprised of carbon. Remember that the valency of carbon is 4. Carbon is present in the center of second row. The elements present on the left of carbon atom loses electrons because they have a tendency to lose electrons. In this way, they gain stability. The elements on the right of carbon atom gain electrons because they have a tendency to gain electrons. In this way, they gain stability. Organic compounds are found in nature as well as they are synthesized by chemists. Carbon atom not only share electrons with other carbon atom but also share electrons with different atoms like phosphorus, etc. In this way, carbon forms millions of compounds. Organic compounds are formed through covalent bonds by sharing of electrons. Generally, organic compounds are divided into two main classes: natural organic compounds and synthetic organic compounds like plastic, rubber, glue, etc. Natural organic compounds are also called superorganic compounds. We depend mostly on organic compounds. Mostly the reactions occur in our body are organic reactions. In organic chemistry, we will deal about the structure of atom because the structure of atom has an important role in organic chemistry. Nucleus. The tiny dense area present in the center of an atom is called as nucleus. Nucleus is surrounded by electrons which are present in shells. Electrons. The small negatively charged particles orbiting around the nucleus are called as electrons. Protons. The small positively charged particles present in the nucleus of an atom are called as protons. Neutrons. Neutrons are neutral particles present in the nucleus of an atom. The number of electrons and protons are equal in a neutral atom. Electrons have negative charge and protons have positive charge, so they attract each other. Electrons orbiting continuously around the nucleus in shells, so they have kinetic energy. Atomic number. The total number of protons present in the nucleus of atom is called as atomic number. Mass number. The total number of electrons and protons present in an atom is called as mass number. Mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Atomic mass. The average mass of an atom of an element is called as atomic mass. This is the average weighted mass of an atom of an element. Isotopes. The atoms of an element that have same atomic number but different mass number are called as isotopes. Valence and core electrons. Valence electrons. The electrons that occupy the outermost shell of an atom is called as valence electrons. What are core electrons? The electrons that occupied inner shells are called as core electrons. Valence electrons involved in chemical bonding. Core electrons don't participate in chemical bonding. Shells and atomic orbitals. Shell. The path followed by an electron around the nucleus of an atom is called as shell. The closest shell to the nucleus is K shell, followed by L, M, N shells, and so on. K shell accommodate 2 electrons, L shell accommodate 8 electrons, M shell accommodate 16 electrons. The general formula for number of electrons in a shell is 2n raised to power 2, where n is the principal quantum number. Atomic orbital. The shells of an atom contain subshells is called as atomic orbitals. There may be one or more subshells in a shell. The subshells are symbolized as S, P, D, F, G. S subshell can accommodate 2 electrons. Shells P shell can accommodate 6 electrons. D subshell can accommodate 10 electrons. F subshell can accommodate 14 electrons. G subshell can accommodate 18 electrons.